What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in today's video, upon request, we are going to build another lander for a sweepstakes offer. So let's dive in.
But first, a little promotion. My full stack affiliate platform, the Deberoo Suite, now offers for a limited time only upwards to 80% off. We have a tracking software, a landing page builder and a spy tool, cash flow manager and so much more. So feel free to check it out through the description down below. Click the link. Step 1, create your account. Step 2, watch the video on the dashboard to claim your deal with upwards to 80% off. But if not of that, let's go back to the video.
Alright, so I'm inside of Mobidea, and today we are going to create another landing page for a sweepstakes offer. And of course the holiday season is upon us, and that really helps us, or at least some of us, with the marketing of our products. So today's offer, we will be focusing on this offer right here. It's an offer for in Portugal. And it's win a PlayStation 5 Christmas. So let's take a look. We've got a screenshot right here. I'm going to open it to make it a little bit bigger. So this is in Portuguese, but today we will be building the landing page in English to make it a little bit easier. But basically, so yeah, you can win this PlayStation 5 and all you have to do is enter your phone number right here. And probably you have to pay like a small fee to get in. Alright, so is there anything weird? Let's see. Everything is allowed, looks all good, looks all fine. So let's go into the Deberoo suite. And in the Deberoo suite, we're going to the advertising suite, to the landing page builder, where we are going to select a landing page template to start out with. So let's take a look. We did the scratch box in the previous video, so if you haven't seen that yet, check it out. And today, something similar, maybe the envelope quiz. Yeah, sure, we're gonna go with the envelope quiz. So we're gonna call it PS5 Xmas in Portugal. Gonna create it, and here we are. Okay. So this is a Christmas offer, as you can see here as well. So what I want to do is create it so that it looks like, okay, we're giving away a PlayStation 5 for Christmas and you might be the big winner of today. So let's see. First, I want to change this image up. The recommended size is 180 by 40. Let's go to Canva and let's see if we can find a decent pictures. It's a bit of a tough dimension, 180 by 40. So very wide, but not that high. But we'll see what we can do. PlayStation 5. There we go. Whoops, not shopping. I want images. Alright, here we go. The future of gaming. That looks pretty cool. Yeah, so this might work. Like I said, it's a tough dimension because it's very wide and not that high. So we want to look for an image that already somewhat looks like that, like those dimensions. So we'll see if this works. That actually looks pretty cool. The future of gaming. However, you don't see the PS5 part of it. So maybe we need to do this ourselves. Let's see. Somewhat like this. No, we're never gonna get PS5 in there. Otherwise it should be something like this, but I don't like it because the controller is a bit cut off there. Are we gonna do it like this? Or should we just get a PS5 logo? Which is also fine. I'm just gonna take a quick second look. This is dope as well. But once again, I'm not really sure if this is gonna fit. And I don't want the rest on there. Okay, so let's just see if we can find something else. Let's go for a PS5 logo. There we go. Oh, that's white. That's actually perfect. That is perfect. Because what I can do in Canva is, first I'm going to upload this. And I can go to background and make it black. And then I go back to uploads and grab my PS5 logo. And I'm going to make it bigger myself. Let's see. Get it up there. Get it centered. There we go. That looks pretty cool. So let's download it. And then we're going to upload it into the landing page. And then we have our very first image of our new landing page. There we go. That looks fine. Dear user, every year we select 10 lucky. So yeah, we're going to change this up. Dear user, that's fine. To celebrate our new generation of PlayStation. Let's make it into to celebrate the new generation of PlayStation. We decided to give away 10 PlayStations 5. We decided to give away, let's change it up, a PlayStation 5 to 10 lucky visitors. Let's see, try your luck now and see if you win one of the PlayStation 5. If you win a PlayStation 5. Oops. I'm gonna make PlayStation 5 into bold. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here. There we go. Alright, so now we are going to change this up. Just choose the right envelope. Try to find the PlayStation 5. Okay, cool. That's all fine. Okay, I'm gonna save this and open this up once more real quick. Because we need to change the images behind the envelope. So I'm gonna show you how that's done. So every visitor gets 3 attempts to find the PlayStation within these, what are it, 12 envelopes. And underneath those 12 envelopes, we all have kinds of images, so we need to replace those. And I think we need to get that envelope in as well if we want it to open up in an envelope. So I guess we'll see. 190 by 140 are the dimensions. Before we go in, let me try, I don't know which one box 1 is, but I guess the upper top one. I'm just gonna put an image there to see if the envelope sticks. Okay, so we do need to get that envelope in ourselves. Let's open this up real quick. Whoops, my landing pages. There we go, edits. In the meantime, I'm going to look for a PlayStation 5 and I want to look for a envelope transparent. And I want clip art. I hope I can find the exact same envelope. The envelope should be open. Let's see. So I do want an image that has a transparent background. Hope we can find that. What is the background? Let me check. Okay, gray, black grayish. You know what? Maybe it's even okay without the envelope. Let's just try. So we should have this one, and we want a nice picture of a PlayStation 5. So let's see. Can I have a PlayStation 5 with a transparent background? Yes, we can. Awesome. So we're gonna get that in. Upload it into Canva. Not really the right dimensions that we're looking for, but it doesn't matter since it's a transparent background. So I'm just going to put this in the middle. There we go. And that's all fine with me. Let's download it and see how it looks. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna select an image. I'm just gonna do it for one first. Let's see. Okay, so it's... Oh, of course. Yep, that's my bad. Let's see. Background, black, download. It's probably more grayish, but whatever. Let's try this again. Does that look better? No, not really. But we're gonna do with it. Usually I would say spend some more time on it. Try to find the right image, the right envelope even. I would definitely put that in just like the example with the phone. But for now we're just going to continue. So we do have that, and we want to change these up as well, right? So then I would be looking for more like images with the PlayStation 5 at home or unboxing. That's probably even better. Let's see. Perfect. So save image. And we are going back to the landing page builder and change this up. Let's see. Here we go. That's the one. Just change this up as well. Alright, I always used to think these offers are scams, but I'm glad I took the chance. Whoops. And left my contact info anyway. I just got my PlayStation 5 and wireless charger. We can leave that out. Delivered by courier earlier today. Believe good things can happen, and they will. I'm a happy customer. Okay. Awesome, that looks all fine. And obviously you would do the same thing for these other comments and change this image up as well. And other than that, that's basically it. So yeah, awesome. So the first two are axes. You can change these if you want as well. And as you can see, or actually as I can see now, they used the background color for these images as well. So they just chose the right color. And then the third envelope you click is the prize that you win. This one is still with the Huawei, but obviously you would have a PS5 there and preferably jumping out of an envelope. All right, cool. So that's gonna be it for this one, but of course more to come. So no worries, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.